Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your clips all at once in CapCut PC. So if you have more than one clips on your CapCut PC and you want to adjust the speed, you can do it at once. So what you need to do is just select all of the clips in the timeline in here. So just block it like this, and after that, here you can just go straight to the speed settings at the top right corner in here, and you can choose between standard and curve. I'm going to go with standard. So let's say I want to make it 2 times faster, so just swipe it to the right like this, and now the videos will be shortened because it has been speed up like this. So you can see now the all the videos, the speed is changed just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.